Marhaba and welcome again. In this video, we'll start talking about the moves, the harakat. If someone asks you, how do you pronounce the letter ba or the letter b? You could say ba or bu or bi. You see, this is the purpose of harakat. They are not vowels or short vowels. They're marks that define how the letters are pronounced in a word. If there was an alif after the ba in a word, like in bab, ba would be pronounced ba naturally, not bu or bi. This is to further explain what I said in the introduction video of this series. Harakat are marks, are not letters or characters. Marks, like punctuation marks, like a comma or question mark, etc. So let's start exploring those marks. Let's start with the first three harakat. The first one here is the فتحة, the short alif, a short a. It's called فتحة. Why is it called فتحة? Look at yourself in the mirror and try to pronounce ba with a فتحة. Ba. Focus on your mouth. Notice how your mouth opens at the end of ba. Fatha or futha means an opening, like an aperture. Because it causes your mouth to open, it is called fatha, like an opening, because it caused an opening. Cool? Let's check the second haraka. Dhamma. Here, this one. The short u, a short wow. It even looks like a small wow, if you noticed. Again, look at yourself in the mirror and pronounce ba with a dhamma, bu. See how your mouth looks at the end? Like your lips are pressed or brought together, most of their length. This is what the name means. The verb dhamm means brought together. And this is what the dhamma does. Now the third one, well, maybe you guessed it. The haraka that is a short e, a short ya. Kasra, this one here, this one down here. Here. Kasra means a break, derived from the verb kasara, which means broke in past tense. Kasra is past tense, broke, the past tense of break. Again, look at yourself in the mirror and watch your mouth when you pronounce ba with a kasra. B. Note how your lips look at the end like they're pointing downwards. Imagine if a tree branch breaks, it will fall downwards. This is the reason why it's called kasra. And it comes below the letter, unlike the fatha and the dhamma. See here, below the letter. Unlike fatha and dhamma, above the letter. There's more to say about these harakat and their names, but what you need to know is this. Fatha, a short a short line above the letter. Dhamma, a short u, a small wow above the letter. And kasra, a short e, which is a short line below the letter. Like fatha, but fatha is above the letter, kasra is below the letter. They look the same. Okay? Practice them well. If you need any further explanation or if you have any questions, comment below. I'll see you in the next video.